Hola amigos, welcome back to another recipe. Today we're going to be making chicken and rice. For this recipe you'll need 1 pound of chicken, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, adobo seasoning, salt, Cuban, and oregano. You want to start out by mixing all of those ingredients up and put it on your chicken. Obviously it's chicken and rice, so you're also going to need 2 cups of rice for this recipe. After you lay it on your chicken, you want to rub it in like there's no tomorrow. Rub it in, girl. Your chicken should look something like this once you've got it all seasoned up. After that, they'll go into a hot oil pan, and the goal here is to really brown it up and coat that seasoning onto the chicken. You don't really have to cook it 100% of the way. You're maybe going to get it 60% there. You just want to see that beautiful brown layer on it. After about 2 minutes on each side on high heat, you'll notice that they'll have this color. Go ahead and remove it from the heat. To that hot pan, you're going to add in a tablespoon of minced garlic. You want to lower the heat so the garlic doesn't burn. And after that, you're going to add in some red pimientos cubed up. I used about 2 tablespoons of that. After that, I'm going to add in some sofrito. I add in the sofrito because I didn't have any onion on hand. Normally I would just add onion and use garlic, pimiento and onion, but I went for the sofrito instead, and it's just as delicious. After your veggies are all done up, you put in your 2 cups of rice. I used long grain jasmine rice. After all of that is incorporated, you'll add 2.5 cups of water. The reason why I say 2.5 is because the chicken is still going to have some liquid to it, as well as the tomato sauce that we'll be putting in next. So in all, you'll have about 3 cups of liquid, but only 2.5 of water. Here we are adding the 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Any tomato sauce works, whatever you have on hand. This is really to give it a bit of bitterness and some color. Stir it all up, and this is how it'll look with the rice. After you've done that, the same seasoning that you had left over, sprinkle it over the rice. After that, you want to go ahead and add your chicken back in. If you've made it this far, you're about 90% of the way there. After you add your chicken back in, go ahead and add a bay leaf. Bay leaves give the rice so much flavor. Cover it up on medium to low heat and just let the water dry out. It takes about 15 minutes. Once you're done, this is what it should look like, guys. And here is the final product. If you've liked what you've seen so far, make sure to like, subscribe, share, do whatever it is your little heart and soul desires, or even just make the dish and let us know how you did it and how it came out, or if you like the recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we've enjoyed making it. Thank you for all your support. Enjoy!